Hey, 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 it's another Monday, January the 15th. Second mini mixed media Monday today. And so, as you can see here, I have part of a map that I've already inked up before I bound it into this funky junky journal. And then I have this bag that I recycled, the yellow bag. I think someone sent me that in Happy Mail. So I kind of wanted to do a 2-page today because the inky background would have took me like 2 seconds because I thought it was so pretty. So I wanted to add another layer and include the little yellow bag over here. So I'm just taking some vintage papers. I believe I bought this in a junk drawer lot on eBay. So that's a fun way to find like vintage papers and things is on eBay. They have some just variety of stuff. So because we are putting down this vintage paper, oops, I got too much of that on there. I'm going in with a little decoupage, which you could also use fluid matte medium, but hello, I don't even know where that is. If y'all see it, let me know. Anyway, so the key here is because we want to create a barrier so that that vintage really old text doesn't just suck up all the color that we put down. So that's the reason behind putting that barrier of gel medium or decoupage medium or whatever. And then out of the corner of my eye, I see this small little piece of masking tape. So why the heck not? Let's just slap that down and see what yummy textures it creates. If you've been watching me for very long, you know that I do like to use random bits that are on my table. That's my excuse as to why I never freaking clean my table. And oh my, I'm running out of this orange ink. So, gave me an excuse. I need to go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's. That's a good idea. So I'm just going to get that fluid ink moving and randomly just spray some water and kind of let it ooze. And I'm picking that up with with a vintage check that I also bought off of eBay. And so guess what? I have a twofer. Do you know what a twofer is? That means I got a 2 for 1. So now I have this yummy inky check I can use another day. So because I'm Tiffany and because I like scratching up things with gesso, I'm going to take my palette knife, and those are not time leaves, people. That is just my handy dandy way of keeping a little bit of gesso for my travels and such. I'm going in here. This is actually just a charcoal pencil because why? It was sitting right there. No other reason. Just random stuff. Then I'm going to go in with some Payne's Gray. This happens to be Luca's, which, by the way, I love that mustard bottle. Can't go wrong with that. I'm going in with the Payne's Gray because if you look at this, it really doesn't have any contrast. So watch what happens whenever you add a dark color. It could be black, it could be navy, but watch how the other colors just pop. Amazing. And I'm going in just with a little bit to kind of bring your eye around with the dark contrast of Payne's Gray. And I'm adding a little water if I feel like it needs a little bit more movement. So with acrylics, if you feel like you need to be able to move it a little bit better, then grab yourself a water bottle and start squirting. Now it's important for you to be able to actually let that dry here before we go in. And nothing is better in my life than some hot pink. So I'm going in here with that well, the name escapes me, that hot pink that I had, and I'm just going in and adding a little dab. Oh man, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And I want to be able to just really to dry that up pretty good because, I mean, I'm throwing everything at it, water and inks, and it gets a little messy. So now, what to do? Well, I say grab that freaking long-handled stapler right there and just staple the heck out of that little part that keeps flopping up. Originally, I had thought maybe I would do like a little tag or a little tuck spot or something like that. But nah, we're going industrial here. I just lay a whole lot of staples that I'm going to have to figure out what the heck to do with on the backside. But that'll be another Monday. And now I'm just going to take the white China marker, which I call absolute hell trying to do that. I had to take that off camera and pause it because I was catching the blues trying to get that little paper thing to let loose of some more of that white. But I really love the China marker. You could also use any other white marker pen that you have laying around and just going to make some scribbles and marks because I think they're fun and sassy. Oh, I'm in a great mood today. I've already had like 3 cups of coffee, so this is no act, guys. This is really how I am all the time. So now I'm going to cut up some canvas, and why? Because it was laying right there. And I'm going to slap this lovely little Tim Holtz word or phrase down. So, guys, that's all for this Mini Mixed Media Monday. I hope that you enjoyed it. Someone mentioned they wanted to see lots of color, So I hope this is colorful enough for you, and I hope that you have a fantastic Monday. And hey, you know what? If you have a chance, just slap some paint down. So if you'd like to see more of this Southern gal come into your life, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. And always, I love to read your comments. You can find my social media and my email below. I love to see you guys on my Facebook page. So holla at your girl. Till next time, toodaloo.